Morning, everybody. It is early and it is cold. It is cold. Like everything's like all frosty and cold. But we are at Walgreens and I'm here to share with you guys today or this week's deals. They changed the ad. I don't like it. It's not like a real ad anymore. It's kind of just like deals. I couldn't find it on the website, but I found it in the app this morning. I didn't really look in the app last night, but I kind of don't like it. So if people don't like it, I think the more complaints we get, the more they'll probably end up doing something over it. So I don't know. I just don't like it, but I was able to understand it to get some deals. So we got some great deals. A lot of repeats, even though it's a brand new month because of the Walgreens booklet. But hey, that's okay. We're ready to get some deals. Sorry, my hair. I rarely ever straighten my hair, so it's like I'm always paranoid that it's not straight. But anyways, let's go inside and go shopping. So we have the soft soap on sale and the Irish Springs on sale for 3 for $10. We actually have one digital coupon that you guys want to use. Sorry, it's not focusing. My store has no shopping cart, so I'm doing this with no carts again. You want to use the $1 off digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $9 for 3 of them, but then you'll end up getting I don't know if you get a $5 register reward or $5 cash rewards. I'm not sure. The new ad's kind of confusing, but your total ends up becoming just $4 or $1.33 for 3 of them. There is the Dove body wash for $7. My store is still putting tags up, but they are $7. You want to use one of each, or if you have multiple ads, but there is a $2.50 coupon for the men's body wash and for the women's body wash. You're going to buy 2 of them, use those coupons. You'll end up paying $9. This is a deal where if you spend $10, you get a $5 register reward. So this is a deal that you shouldn't pay with points or Walgreens cash, and you probably have to do these all in multiple different transactions. So basically, you guys will get the $5 register reward when you spend $10. Do not pay with points, but your total ends up becoming just $4 or $2 each. Okay, so this is in my clearance section, but this is the D Kids Pain and Relief. I don't know how good this is, but it's actually 2 for $1 or 13 cents each if you guys need that. There's another thing that's also the same price, and I'll try to find it and show you guys that too. So the Pantene shampoo and conditioner, I am not sure if it's the larger bottles or the smaller bottles. The app is not telling me, but some of them are 3 for $15. We do have a 5 off of 3 digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You end up paying just $10, but this is a deal where if you spend $10, you get the $5 register reward. So it ends up becoming just $5 for 3 of them, or $1.33 each. The Airhead Ropes are actually on sale this week for 99 cents, and when you buy one, you'll actually get a 99-cent register reward. So you'll pay 99 cents, get the 99 cents register reward back, making these absolutely for free. The Baby Ruth is not on sale, so it's 2 for $2.29 or 1 for $1.39. We're gonna just buy one of them. You'll pay $1.39, but then there is a 25-cent rebate with Ibotta, and you get 15 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, or you get 15 for scanning it, 150 for purchasing it, which together means 165 kicks for 66 cents. So your final price for just one candy bar is 48 cents. So we have the flavored Smart Water, 2 for $3 or $1.99. The regular Smart Water is 2 for $4, which is a 2 something. But we're gonna buy the flavored ones for $1.99. You'll pay $1.99, but with Ibotta or with Shopkick, you actually get 15 kicks for scanning it and 125 kicks for purchasing it, which comes out to be just 56 cents. So you'll get this for $1.43, but then there is a bundle that we're gonna do to make it even cheaper. So with the regular Kleenex, we're going to combine this with the Smart Water deal. So these are $1.99. They are buy one, get one 50% off, but you're going to pay the $1.99 price. Then you can actually scan with the Shopkick's app, where you get 15 points for scanning it and 450 points for purchasing it, which is 66 cents, making this box just $1.33. If you buy one of the waters and one of the boxes, it'll be $2.26 or $1.13. But if you wanted to buy 2 of the Kleenex boxes and 2 of the waters, your final total will end up becoming $4.26 and at $1.06 each if you want to go ahead and do that deal. Okay, so we have the Kleenex deal for $5, and then in the Walgreens booklet there is a $1.25 off coupon, making your price just $3.75. The same thing with the Scott's paper towel. It's $5 with that $1.25 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. But we have a deal with Shopkick where you get 15 kicks for scanning the product and 450 kicks for purchasing the product, which comes out to be just $1.86. So you'll pay $3.75. You get the $1.86 back with Shopkick, so your total ends up becoming $1.89. That's 63 cents a box for the Kleenex or 31 cents a roll for the Scott's paper towel. If you guys need any cereal, the Post cereal and the Captain Crunch cereal is on sale for $1.99 this week. We have some Crest Toothpaste on sale for $3. You guys want to use 2 of the $1 off coupons from the October P&G. You'll end up paying $4, but you do get a $4 register reward, making these absolutely for free. So we have the Crest Toothpaste on sale for $4. Now you can use the $1 off insert coupons. The ad did show that there was going to be a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. I do not have it. It might have been an older deal that I've already done. But if you have that coupon, you'll end up paying just $7, but when you spend $10, you get a $5 register reward, making them just $2.66 each, so not the greatest deal. We have the Colgate Toothpaste. Some of it is on sale for $3.99. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys will end up using. You'll pay $3.99, but you do get, I think, $4 cash rewards, making this tube of toothpaste, or both tubes of toothpaste, absolutely free. We have the Renews-Its on sale for 89 cents. Now some of us did receive a coupon for buy 4 get 2 free. Otherwise there is a digital coupon, but make sure you watch it, see if it gives you the full amount back. But you'll end up just paying $3.56 for 6 of them. It comes out to be just 59 cents each. Here we have the Snuggle for $2.99. We also have the all laundry detergent. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon that you guys want to use. Your final price would just be $1.49 for one of them. And there is also some in the inserts too. Hello everybody, yes, so good news is all the sale prices worked. I was so excited for that. Didn't realize it until after I got back in the car. Number one, I was dealing with the regular cashier. He's kind of new at couponing, so it was just like, okay. But anyways, I'm here to share with you guys the deals that I got. There's some great deals. There's a couple freebies, and there's some stuff to deal with Shopkick more than Ibotta. So if you guys like the Kleenex boxes, these are $5. You get, there is a $1.25 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys will get this for $3.75. But there is a 465 Shopkick points for purchasing and scanning this product, making it $1.86 that you get back. So this comes out to be just $1.89 or 63 cents for each box. Now, if your store has a 6-pack of Smart Water, you guys can get a better deal, but my store does not carry that. I don't know if Walgreens carries that, but if your store does, definitely check that out. And the same thing goes with the Scott's paper towel, $5. Use that $1.25 off Walgreens booklet coupon. You will pay $3.75. You get 465 Shopkicks for purchasing and scanning, which is $1.86. So this comes out to be $1.89 or 31 cents a roll. So I've been trying not to buy like paper towels and toilet paper because I have so much, but when you get it for like $1.89, you can't pass that up. You just can't pass that up. So yes. So the next deal I did was the Smart Water and the Kleenex. Now these were $1.99 or buy one get one 50% off, and these were $1.99 also, or buy 2 for $3. So it depends on how you guys want to do this. I just did one of each, but you would pay $1.99 each, or what, $3.98 for both of these. You get 165 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product for this, and you get 140 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product for this, which is 56 66 cents, 56 or 66. When you buy them together, you'll get 125 kicks, which is 50 cents. So the grand total that you get from Shopkicks is $1.72. So your final price for these is $2.26 or $1.13. So it's up to you guys if you want to do it. I still wanted to share with it because some people like this stuff, and you know, why not? So I got that. Now I did 3 separate transactions, and I did 3 of the Airheads. I did not use the register reward that I got for every transaction, so I'm saving these for next week. So you pay, these are 99 cents on sale. You pay 99 cents for it, but then you get a 99-cent register reward. I like it when they say manufacturer coupon because you can use multiple of these in one transaction. But so these come out to be absolutely free. You can do this deal as many times as you want. My store, they're just really low on staff, so they didn't have everything marked. I don't like the new ad. I don't, it's too confusing because I'm just like, I'm used to looking for pictures and they barely have any pictures. So anyways, yeah. So I ended up getting the Dove body wash. I got a men's for $2.50 and a women. These are $7, okay? I used a $2.50 men's coupon and a $2.50 women's coupon. You would pay $9 for this, but then you get a $5 register reward. $5 register reward, making these just $4 or $2 each. If you guys want to go ahead and do that deal, go for it. This deal and the like Pantene, I was gonna do the Secret, but my store is completely gone. And the Crest, those are all deals that you have to do them in separate transactions if you guys decide you want to do that. So the next deal we are going to do is well, I did soft soap because I have so much Irish Springs, it's ridiculous. So these were 3 for $10. You want to use a $1 off digital coupon. You'll end up just paying $9 for the 3 of these. I'm trying to figure out where the breakdown is. But you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them. Seriously, I got it somewhere. I'm trying to read the one that says that. Okay, but you get the $5 register reward when you purchase the 3 of them. Comes out to be $4 or $1.33 each. If you guys need to go do that. This is a deal where you can pay with Walgreens cash. So I got the Crest Pro Health. Like I said in the breakdowns, I did not receive that 5 off of 3, but I did use a $1 off coupon from the P&G. So these were $3. I used 2 $1 off coupons. You would pay $4 for this, but you get a $4 register reward when you purchase both of them. So they come out to be absolutely for free. So we got that. I also did the Colgate toothpaste. The Colgate toothpaste was $3.99. There is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you want to use. You'll pay $3.99, but with this deal you get $4 cash rewards. I like the cash rewards. So this also comes out to be for free. Now I was really hoping the Baby Ruth was on sale, but it was not. I didn't check to see if it was on sale. No, it was not. Okay, so the Baby Ruth was $1.29. If you guys want to go ahead and do this deal, or no, $1.39, sorry. You'd pay $1.39 for this, but with Ibotta, you get 25 cents back, and then you get 165 Shopkick points for purchasing and scanning it, which is 66 cents. So this candy bar comes out to be just 48 cents. I was hoping it was like one of the 88-cent deals, but it was not. So got that. So my total came to $34.40. I ended up getting $4.36 back with cash rewards. For register rewards, I received $16.97. With Ibotta, I received 25 cents. With Shopkick, I received 1,525 points, or Shopkicks, which is $6.10. With Fetch Rewards, I scanned it because you get points for the Kleenex, you get points for the Scott tissues, and you get points for the Dove body wash. So I ended up just getting 245 points, which is 24 cents. So my grand total came to $6.48. I got 18 items at 36 cents each. I did pay with register rewards, but I do not factor that in my total. I do pay with points, but again, I do not factor that in my total. So that was it. That was my haul. There's some decent deals. I just don't like the ad, and I wonder how long, I wonder if a ton of us complain if anything would be done by it, because I just don't like it. I don't know if they're just doing less effort in the ad, like, you know, I don't know. But you know, there's those older people that like to look at pictures, and for us, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say, because I couldn't find, like, when you do the weekly ad, it just has like some of it, but then you have to go through every single category to figure out each deal. Don't like it, so I'm probably gonna say something to Walgreens. Oh, I forgot to mention this one. We got the all laundry detergent for $2.99. There is a $1.50 off digital coupon for this. You guys would just get this for $1.49 for that, or the Snuggle. So yeah, that was my haul, you guys. It was okay. I'm pretty happy with everything that I got. My store is still out of shopping cart, so it's very hard to coupon. I'm ready to bring like my kid's stroller with me next week, just so I can have stuff. I can have my spot. It's kind of crazy. But anyways, thanks for watching. I will see you guys all next week. I'm going out of town, but I'll be back that morning, so we'll see if I can get out of bed early enough to go shopping. But again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.